What's up, YouTube? This is Toshinae Letrice and you are watching my channel, honey. Today I'm going to be doing my refresh routine. Okay, I just changed my hair schedule recently, and I decided that I'm gonna add a refresh day in the middle of every single week because my hair be dry. So I have low porosity hair, and that means my hair gets really dry. I just did a wash and go in my hair on Sunday, but honestly, basically what I do first is take this hair out. You guys are getting to see my hair in its worst form. You guys, this is my dry ass hair right now. I haven't really done anything to it, put anything in it or anything like that. I kind of just been letting it be. It's not like the driest it's ever been right now. It's actually not too dry, but it's really frizzy and kind of ugly. So I'm gonna refresh it. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. To refresh, I just pull out my handy dandy water bottle. This is what I use for my refresh. I know some people get in the shower, some people like to do it that way. I don't have a lot of time today, so I'm just kind of trying to refresh as quick as possible. And because my hair doesn't look the worst, the refresh will be pretty easy, I think. We'll see. So I want to get a mister. That's my next purchase. I want to get a mister because water bottles are kind of janky, and I hate that it gets like dirty looking. What I do is I put very hot water in this because my hair does need hot water. So I'm gonna go ahead and just section it off, kind of make my pony area, even though this is not gonna be perfect. But I just want to split my hair in half for now. So with my satin scrunchie, I'm gonna go ahead and put this area away and focus on the bottom and the back area first. Ugh, my hair is so dry, guys. I'm gonna split this straight down the middle. Woo. And section my hair off as well. Usually how I section my hair is I just use clips. Using my clips, I go ahead and put that part away. Boom. And then I'm going to be working with this section right now. And when I get to the top, there will be more sections, but right now I'm just focusing on the bottom. And actually it's kind of like super dry, so I think I'm going to split this section in half. Yeah, so we'll get the bottom, the middle, and then on to the next one. So, going in with the water. Ooh, let me make sure all that is hot. Okay. Going in with my water first. I usually put the water at the root first because that's usually the most tangled part of my head. And then I do the ends. And detangling from the ends up. Finger detangling for me right now. I might go in with some tools. It really just depends on the day. But usually I use my fingers. If I feel like I need to use my diamond brush or another type of tool to detangle, I will, but it's kind of happening kind of quick. Like the water's working, getting through that section, and reactivating those products that were already in my hair. So when I refresh, I do like to use the same products that I already had in my hair. I do put more product because, yeah, it doesn't last. I used a gel in my hair. And it wasn't holding that well from the beginning. I think I put too much moisture in my hair and it wasn't as defined as I would have liked. So putting more gel is going to make it more defined how I want it for the rest of the week until Sunday. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some more water because it's not as wet as I would like. This is super weird. I've never done hair tutorials on my channel, so let me know what you guys think of these tutorials. Let me know if you want more, what I can do, some little video ideas, anything. Boom. Okay, so I just gave my hair a trim, so my ends are looking a little better. I feel like I could go shorter, to be honest, but I'm not going to do all that. I'm just going to keep deep conditioning and try to get my hair back to the healthy state it was in. Even though it's pretty healthy now, but just not as healthy as I would like. These are the products I use. So you guys, have you used the new Dove products? Because I'm actually very, very much impressed. I bought these products from Walmart not that long ago, and I've already used so much product, but these are only $6, and honestly, this line, very, very good. I'm not disappointed. I know we're supposed to be doing black-owned businesses right now, and yes, I have plenty of black-owned hair products, but I was very curious about Dove because I love Dove. Like, I use their sensitive skin body wash all the time. That's my ish. So I just wanted to see what Dove was coming through with the moisture because I love how their soap is, like, and how the lather is, so I knew it would be similar. Anyways, this is the leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to go ahead and take a couple pumps, maybe like 2 or 3 pumps, and put that in my hair. As you guys know, there's already products in my hair, but I'm going with the refresh and putting more. So that's just how I'm doing it, because if I was just going to leave it like it was just now, it would get really frizzy, and it probably would not look very good. So do gotta add more product throughout the middle of the week. Make sure you get those ends, get that conditioner on those ends. And my hair is already looking better. Look at that, already looking juicier, a little more moisturized. Make sure you get the back because that's super, super duper important. Okay, honey. Alright, so after I do that with the leave-in conditioner, then I used their finishing gel, and I'm loving this product very, very much. These products are very good. Dove, I see y'all. I see you. So I take about 5 pumps, somewhere between 5 and 6 pumps of this gel, and go ahead and put that and rake it all through that section. I usually like to start at the top because, like I said before, yes, and just make sure that's super moisturized. Make sure you got enough product. Don't be stingy with the products. Put as much as you need in there. Finger rake it, and then praying hands down that. Ooh. Nice. Okay, and then that is it. Okay. I'm gonna do that around the rest of my head. This will all be sped up, but yeah, that's what I do for the refresh, and I'll let you know what it looks like at the end. Can y'all see this? This is probably the most annoying part about doing my hair, like just hair everywhere. If anybody has tips on how to reduce that, please leave them below, okay? I need to know. Down below which ones you guys prefer. Do you prefer the water bottle, the spritz bottle, or the mister? Should I get a mister, or should I keep that water bottle flow? Let me know. Side, guys. Does everyone have a good and a bad side of their hair? Like, I feel like this side of my hair versus this side, like this side always looks better. That's just me. Let me know what your good side is, if you have a good side. Some people just look good all the way around. Okay, both sides looking fantastic, fantabulous. Oh no, I got my hair all stuck in this clip. Y'all, what? Here we go. Thought I was gonna have to cut all my hair off just now. Brothers. It's all refreshed, looking moisturized, and once it's dry, I will try to come back to you guys and show you the finished look. I usually don't do my baby hairs or anything like that, just because I'm lazy. So this is the final look. This is how my hair turned out, and I am loving it. My curls look super bouncy. It's really healthy looking right now, so I'm like having a party inside because Dove came through. So if you guys wanted to know, these were the 2 products. I already showed them, but I'm not sponsored by Dove, but you should sponsor me though, because this shit does wonders for my hair. Like, it looks so good. I love it so much. I also have tried the buttercream and the mask, and I recommend them because they work really good. I like these products. So there you guys go. Thank you for watching my video. This is my final look. Gotta go.